a young Vatsal came to Brisbane as an international student. Today, he shares his story as a Bollywood musical, completely relatable for all. The event is taking place at the auditorium of the Coopero Secondary College here in Brisbane. Now, the band today features Vatsal Thakkar as the lead singer. The lead female singer in tonight's show is Binny Janati, a very well-known female voice in Brisbane. Binny is someone who has grown up with music. She has the sweetest voice ever. Personally, I like to call her the Shreya Ghoshal of Brisbane. Then we have Steve Shankar, who is a multi-talented musician. Today, he's on the keyboard, he's playing the guitar as well. He's also been a coach and a mentor to Vatsal. Then there's Hari, who's been on the drums today. Hari also has a soulful voice and sang one of the songs as well with Binny. The next talented musician in the band is Pranav Poral, who is playing the guitar as well as the flute today. Super talented. He is of Nepalese origin, so it's really good to see some diversity in the band as well. Talking about diversity, the other notable person in the band today is Ahmad, who's actually of Middle Eastern origin. He has literally learnt Bollywood music while being part of the band. He has done an amazing job in today's show as well. And last but not the least, there's Mayank, who's been on the tabla today. The specialty of Mayank is that he can literally launch off into a tabla spree. Super talented. Can't wait to witness his performance tonight. We are at that time of the concert when everyone stepped out to grab a cup of chai, to grab some samosa and some bread pakora. Badi thand jami hui hai aaj, but it's a really nice kind of chill. What a soulful first half of the concert it's been, Shreya. If you had to just sort of go through a little bit of the emotions you were feeling during this first half.
I think it went in the beginning. It was like from the beginning to now. It's been very beautiful, and I would say they've captured like the emotion of someone coming into a new country very well, in the sense that you come into a new environment, you leave all your family behind, your culture behind. It's such a different environment here, and it's scary at first, and then you make friends, and things happen, and yeah, it's really captured that nicely, I'd say.
Okay, mere saath hai Dvijen, Samika from Shaurya Entertainment, and that is Shraddha, sorry. Samika, you are always seen at events like this, and you're also one of the supporters of the event today. Can you just share with us, also as an event organizer, how much effort goes behind putting up a show like this?
I guess it's really, really tough to put everything together and make something this work out. Vatsal has done, like, the way he conceived the whole idea. I think it was really good, and I think everybody has come together and done a fabulous job. I think it's amazing. It's come out very well.
And from the sounds of it, you can quite relate to it. Did you have a similar experience?
Oh yeah, I just loved how the environment was this coming and supporting an artist who's up and coming and seeing how incredible he sounded, and yeah, it was a great time. Yeah.
That's good. Well, we do have the second half to go, and I can't wait to go back in. But until then, enjoy your chai, and we'll see you later. If you had to sort of describe the first half in maybe, a couple of lines, what would you say?
I would just say a couple of words. It was nostalgic and beautiful. Like, it just reminds you of home. Yeah, and all your journey. Like, everyone can relate with this, so it's amazing.
I am now in the midst of the audience. Of course, like I said, it's break time. So if you had to describe your experience so far of the concert in a couple of words, what would you say?
It's been exciting. I think it's very encouraging to see some new talent, and the atmosphere has been fantastic.
Dvijen, आपको कैसे लग रहा है so far?
बहुत अच्छा. The way he sings is like with so much energy, and I really appreciate like his singing, and also the rest of the crew. They are doing so well.
Thank you so much for joining us, and hope you enjoy the second half of the show.
Thank you.
Wonderful. you have a daughter who's probably, Vatsal's age or maybe a few years older. Do you feel you could resonate with some of the emotions that he's tried to sort of portray through the music and song tonight?
Well, she was born here, so I don't think she went through these emotions. It was my generation that went through these emotions when we came here 35 years ago. But actually he's depicted it beautifully, and it's all the same emotions, and it all comes back. For us oldies, it's like memories coming back. So they've done it beautifully. So all the best to them. They're good singers. Yeah. Keep up the good work.
Sorry.
Keep up the good work.
मेरे साथ है शाजिया, who is visiting Brisbane at the moment. Shazia, have you enjoyed the show so far?
Yes, very much. Beautiful singers, beautiful voice. It's a lovely atmosphere.
मेरे साथ है अभिषेक शर्मा जी. अभिषेक, if I could give you an award today, it would be for the best dress award. I know मैंने आपको मज़े से पूछा कि have you just come back from a Bollywood shoot or something, because आप एकदम as always tip top लग रहे हो. Abhishek, what do you think about some of the emotions that Vatsal and the band have tried to bring out through their performance today?
जी शर्मेन जी, कहते हैं कि बेखुदी छा जाए ऐसी कि दिल से मिट जाए खुदी, उनसे मिलने का तरीका खुद के खो जाने में है. तो आज हम सब जो वत्सल जी और बीनी जी की आवाज़ सुनकर ऐसे मदहोश अपने झूम उठे हैं, खुद में खो चुके हैं. We are so mesmerized. The song selection all the way from 70s to the modern and all sorts of songs, classical, Sufiana songs and a bit more, with the high beats and all that. It's great. It's a very connecting and touching show, and it shows that a lot of effort has been put in to actually prepare for this show.
What have been your favorite song performances so far?
Dua. Dua was my favorite.
And any favorites among the band over there?
Everyone's amazing. There is no favorite. Everyone's the favorite.
That's true. A band can only function as a band, but each of them have their standout qualities and performances. Let's get straight into the second half of the show. Thank you, Abhishek. जिस ढंग से आपने शुरू किया, मुझे अब विश्वास हो गया है कि आप डेफिनेटली कोई शूट से ही आए हो.
थैंक यू शर्मीन जी, आप हमेशा इतना ख्याल रखते हैं हमारा, और मोरल हमारा इतना बूस्ट करके रखते हैं. And it's always an honor and pleasure. The team of Indus TV, you guys are there as a backbone of Indian community and representing Indian community and making sure, we're getting that sort of a wider coverage within the community. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, Abhishek. Always a pleasure to chat with you. So I sneaked up backstage because I couldn't wait till the end of the show to catch the one and only Vatsal Thakur. Vatsal, I'm just amazed, and honestly, I have to tell you, the crowd outside is going absolutely nuts. The emotions they've felt, the roller coaster journey they've gone through. Vatsal, just reflecting back on the last 2 hours, how have you felt being up here on stage?
Well, honestly, this is something that I called as my dream project, and it started three months ago. I started planning about it 3 months ago, and today performing here, seeing all the people from Brisbane, Gold Coast, some people have come from Sunshine Coast as well. I am absolutely thrilled and so grateful that we are doing this, and I'm able to take everyone on this journey and this roller coaster, and it is again very emotional for people of Australia at the moment, people from different origins, because today we had the protest and stuff as well. So everything was very hyped up, and the way everything is working right now, we are out there doing this. I'm absolutely thrilled. I'm actually lost with words right now. I can generally speak a lot, but I'm actually lost of words right now. But I'm so happy that this is going on, and we still have the other half left, and I'm sure people are going to be dancing and having so much fun.
Vatsal, I can't help but ask, since you did speak about the second half of the show, can you give us a bit of a hint of what the audience can expect in the second half?
Sure. So in the first section, we talked about leaving home. So the initial phase where you just get your visa and stuff, right? And that feeling and emotion. So we showed it in the first section. Second section was about the initial struggle that you face coming to a new country, like, you know, by yourself, or even if when you are with a family, you still face that initial struggle at a new place, and even the excitement that you have. So we talked about that. The third section was the rise, that you spent a couple of years over here, and then now you can say that, okay, you know what, I'm actually getting a good hang of it. Now, after the break, the fourth section is basically going to be belonging, and that's how we are going to start. That, you know, you make an extended family here. You meet so many people, whether it's from your university, from your workplace, or, you know, just your friends, and those relations are basically long-lasting, and they are going to be there until you die. And I have made those relations as well, and I really wanted to give a tribute to them. So the next section is belonging, and that's for everyone who has come here for support and who has been supporting us, people who have not been able to make it today, but it's the belonging part. And then comes the last part, which is celebration of life. So we want to celebrate with everyone, and very hopeful everyone's going to be dancing.
What a beautiful Zindagi Ka Safar moment. Vatsal, you know, they say life comes full circle, but you know, you've come a long way and you have a long way to go. If I had to just take you down memory lane, personally, if you had to go back to one turning point that has brought you to this journey, is there a moment that you can actually recall?
To be honest, there have been so many moments like this. I'm actually getting emotional thinking about that. But see, I believe in having those down moments, and I personally consider them as my golden times, because those moments teach me so much, and that makes it possible for me to, like, you know, stand up from there. That becomes a motivation as well. Yes, initially I feel bad about it, but then here we are. You know, life keeps going. At the end, everything is fine.
Vatsal, I am just in awe of how you've articulated everything, not just in your words right now, but through this wondrous evening of music, dance, celebration, melody. Congratulations, and just waiting for the second half of the show.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. मेरे साथ है Steve Shankar. He is a very renowned musician in Brisbane. Steve, what all are you doing here today?
I'm actually helping this group. I'm a multi-instrumentalist and a singer and producer. So I produce, I do albums for other people, and I play multiple instruments. I help people to sing. I'm a vocal coach. I used to do Western music. I came from Fiji, did Bollywood music there. Came from Fiji, have done a lot of professional Western bands and all that. And I realized the Bollywood music wasn't great in Brisbane. So I decided to come up and join them and help them out with music. And I've been stuck because the people were so nice.
मेरे साथ है Nimar Corner. Nimar, you have written some poetry that you have been reciting through the musical so far. How has your poetry made its way into tonight's concert?
So I write in my free time. I like listening to Hindi poetry, and then at some point I started writing for myself. I actually sing a little bit, so I met Vatsal through that, and then Vatsal asked me as part of the show if I would write something as part of every stage that he's trying to showcase, and that's how I ended up here.
It's beautiful, really. I think there have been a lot of emotions that have come through. Is there maybe one little poetry that you can recite for us, for our viewers?
Sure. I'll keep...
एक छोटा वर्स.
छोटा सा. ठीक है. Oh, thank you. देखते देखते जिंदगी में अब कुछ रंग नजर आ रहे हैं. इन रंगों पर मेरा जोर तो चला नहीं. शायद रोज़ की उथल पुथल में कम वक्त अपनी ही मर्जी से गिरते जा रहे हैं। तस्वीर अभी अधूरी है, कुछ आधी बनी सी लगती है। पिकासो का काम तो नहीं कह सकते, मॉडर्न आर्ट सी लगती है। I think I'll keep it there.
Badhiya hai, Nimar. So much captured in those few lines. Really well done. Keep writing, keep shining, and I'm sure your words are going to make it through. Well, Steve, Vatsal mentioned that you've been a mentor to him.
Yes.
So, what's been your personal journey with him, or how special has the relationship that you two have shared been?
I found Vatsal like along the way as I was going, and I was looking for someone who could actually play percussion. So I said, look, the best thing to do gigs is, because Australia is so expensive, you cannot hire bands to do gigs. And I said, if you can play and sing and master this together, so I usually play my own instrument and sing at the same time. So I reduce the load of having other musicians and floor space. So you can do in a small footprint. So I said, if you can play and sing, we can join up and do stuff together and have a small footprint and still play at venues that are really small. And he practiced with me and he got really good with it. And that's how it took off.
You can definitely see his talent shining through there.
And passion. He had a lot of passion for music. He really wanted to do music, and I said, I'd rather do this than teach. This is a teacher.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And I said, okay, let's do it.
Wonderful. The industry, artists, we need people like you to coach, to mentor, to support.
Especially us older people, we need to sort of show the ropes to the young guy, so they can do what we've done in the past and carry it on when we're gone.
Steve, I must say you by no means are someone I would call old. That was Steve Shankar making Bollywood music in Brisbane great again. As you can see, बहुत ही मजेदार सा माहौल जमा हुआ है. People are just dancing here. Vatsal was in here in the crowd some time back. I'm gonna go right in the middle. Are you all having a good time? I wish I could sing as well as them, but I'll lip sync for now. Nadan Parinde is wrapping up for the night. Sangi, can you give me your two-line review on your experience tonight?
Amazing and nostalgic.
And did you feel like you went down memory lane?
Of course. That's why I said nostalgic. Right from the beginning, all the songs that we heard so far, and today we cherished it, especially in Vatsal voice. I love him. And Binny. Yeah, I love Binny too. So, yeah, I'm having good fun. And now it's a dancing, which I love the most, so that's why I'm on the stage now.
I won't keep you from joining in on the last part of the dance. Thank you so much for chatting with us, Sangeet. Thank you. Bhavesh and Nikita, I can see you walking out all smiles. Your quick review in a couple of words.
Amazing.
Outstanding.
Outstanding.
We know Vatsal, and
Very well,
we
yeah.
wanted to support, and I know he's great, and Binny as well, like all team. Yeah, we had really super fun. Yeah.
इससे अच्छा तो शो हो ही नहीं सकता. This is the best one we ever had so far.
Wonderful. So can I say पैसा वसूल?
पैसा
वसूल.
पैसा वसूल नहीं, पैसा तोड़ दिया, फोड़ दिया, सब भूखा कर दिया. मजा करावी दी थी वत्सल है.
Wonderful. Great chatting with you guys. Have a good night. Thanks. Ladies, you seem to have had a great evening. One word to describe your evening today.
Amazing.
Yourself.
Super.
Thank you so much.
Perfect.
Oh, very light and well.
Oh, it was very nice and I enjoyed a lot here. Yeah.
I think it was amazing. And what I loved about this place was, usually when you go for events, you see the same faces. These are new people and very talented. And I think what Dil se, everybody has really, like as he said, it's about friendship. I think that was just there throughout the show. The friendship, the emotion, it was beautiful.
I think the versatility in Vatsal's voice is amazing. He could bring out the lowest and the highest pitch, and he could really stir up the emotions when we are listening to it. So I think he's done a fantastic job.
Sonalisa, I just want to say, first of all, आप बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हो आज. Of course, ये जैकेट बिना, but ठीक है, माफ कर लेंगे, ठंड है आज. ना आप खुद एक जाने माने ब्रिस्बेन के कलाकार हो. Can you give us a bit of a technical review of your experience this evening?
Today it was really great, and they did a great job. Song selections are good, and it was quite emotional. And the story line was quite emotional too. So it was great. I liked it.
Wonderful. Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Ash, I just want to ask you, an evening like this that's filled with music, soul and emotion, what was your personal experience?
I loved it. I think they have an amazing voice, all of them. Vatsal and his team were really great. Emotional it was, because I think a lot of people can relate. Having lost both my parents in the last 6 months, the first 2 songs hit hard. I was a little bit of a wreck after that, but I still enjoyed the show thoroughly. And just the little stories, like my Amma used to pack me rotis every time I got on a flight, and I lost her a month ago, so it was quite emotional for me. Probably different to other people, but it was good still. But yeah.
We're so sorry for your loss, Ashika, but sharing that raw story, I'm sure it inspires a lot of viewers over there. Hang in there, time does heal.
And thank you for your cuddles while I was crying. Catching my tears, she was.
I tried.
To the end and the message of the show, where that this journey is really hard and you've got all these steps in it, but the friends and the people that you meet along the way are what makes it a good journey. And the way they finished off with that song of Ye Dosti is what captured, and like Ash's message just now, thanking you for you were supporting her through that, and that song at the end, and the way he was talking about his team helping him out. I think that captures that essence of the show. That it's a crazy journey, it's going to have shits and great parts too, but the people around you are the ones that keep you going through it.
Absolutely, and I think you couldn't have put it better. And also, I think the way Vatsal kind of got, this whole Brisbane community under one roof, and it's just absolutely how you articulated it is what it is. But thank you so much for chatting with us tonight, ladies.
Thank you. Buy some tissues.
Gents and gents, good evening, everyone. I'm Sharmeen and I'm from Indus TV, and I'm just going to go around. We're going to just ask each of you to describe the experience of the concert today in one word, okay? It's a rapid fire, you have to go really quick. Are we ready? Okay, let's do this. One word for the emotions you felt in the first half.
Amazing.
Amazing. You can't repeat the same word, okay?
Mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing. Okay, we're getting better. Let's go.
Magnificent.
Magnificent. अरे वाह, ये कोई chat GPT मत खोलना. No synonyms allowed, okay? All right, how is the music feeling?
Spectacular.
Spectacular. Up.
Excellent.
Excellent, okay. Everyone's getting a bit nervous, I can see. सोच रहे हैं सब. ये क्या हो रहा है? You can use other language, that's a great one. Okay, one word to describe Vatsal's voice.
Exceptional.
Exceptional. One word to describe Binny's voice.
Fantastic.
Fantastic. Okay, one word to describe Hari's voice and his percussion skills.
Multi-talented.
Multi-talented. ये ना अभी थोड़े से layers आ रहे हमारे characters में. All right, love. How have you been enjoying the evening so far? One word.
It's just rocking.
Rocking. Is everyone still rocking? Yourself.
Sadgi.
Sadgi. Your name's Sadgi.
No.
Oh. Mansi.
Sorry.
So Sadgi is your experience of tonight. Sadgi मतलब simplicity.
Oh yeah.
Wow. ये हुआ ना कैप्चर थोड़ा इमोशन. All right, do you feel like you resonated with the theme of this evening's event?
Cultural theme?
Sorry?
Cultural theme?
Cultural theme, amazing. Did you resonate with the fact, the storytelling? How you felt?
It's wonderful. Yeah, and I like the song, all the songs, like Dua and everything.
What's been your favorite song so far?
Nada Parinde.
Nada Parinde, the show title basically. Your favorite song today?
Dua.
दुआ. एंड आपको एक हिंदी कोई दूसरे लैंग्वेज में अपना एक्सपीरियंस शेयर करना था. जोरदार तालियां बजा दो यार. How have you been enjoying the evening?
Pretty good. It's really nice and musically really nice.
Wonderful. Your experience, one word.
Majestic.
Majestic. ये बड़ा सोच के बोला है इसने. Correct me if I'm wrong. पूरी लाइन आई है. आप सोच रहे यार ये मेरा majestic word कोई मत लेना. सही है. Your experience in one word.
It was fabulous.
Fabulous किसी ने बोला है, right? Someone said fabulous.
Fantastic बोला.
अच्छा बड़ा टैब लग रहा है यार. बढ़िया है.
I'll make it for him. It's marvelous. Marvelous.
Marvelous. वाह. सबको इंग्लिश बड़ी अच्छी से आती है. हिंदी भी आती है जोरदार. So thank you so much and enjoy the second half of the show. Thank you. The emotions were raw, the music was soul-stirring, and the storytelling was heartwarming. That wraps up Nadan Parinde, a musical journey held here in Brisbane today. What a great night, Brisbane. I'm Sharmeen Thomas for Indoors TV with Lavi Khatri behind the lens. We'll see you at the next event.